not choking on the silence you leave.
Fuck your ghost!
I'm at your fucking soul, try to all this.
Every time I tell, I run a little deeper. Her name's a Spencer buried in my fucking fingers. I went for you, nobody made you. I'm screaming out of goddamn doll's time. You say coming back for what? To fill your silence, to I'm the god. I'm done playing Mario till you're fucking fine. Every word from you just gets destroyed. Do you expect me to call just to hear you pray? Do you expect me to crawl while you watch me bleed? I don't even think I have a choice. Do you expect me to call just to hear your voice? Don't get to love me if somebody says you lost a weapon, death in pain. Praying life, dressed up in care, but all of joking and you were fucking there.
Collect apologies like trophies, hang them high from all your